Well, we're here today to really congratulate the University of Oklahoma for a $15 million center from the U.S. Department of Transportation, particularly with a focus on climate resilient infrastructure. It's just bar none is some of our nation's best climate and weather scientists here. So together with transportation, that combination to help us understand how our infrastructure can withstand extreme events. The expertise in this community, in this university, is one that the whole nation can learn from.
We got a chance to present one of the particular projects related to using radar and unmanned aerial vehicle to help to support the infrastructure inspections.
So I've been working under Dr. Rockee Zhang and Dr. Hernan Suarez, where I've been currently developing drone GPR-based technology. GPR is ground penetrating radar, but rather than doing it on the ground, we're trying to do it from the air. By doing it from the air, we can do it quicker, more reliable, and in different weather conditions rather than what other types of GPR offer.
We are able to fly in a flexible way and access to the place that some other existing way of inspection cannot access, and give a long-term benefits of reducing the time, the cost, the labors required for such kind of process.
University of Oklahoma, again, is really a leader, and the team here, the students, the industry partners in this region have come together to help make this community safer.